Hi everyone. Today's Tech Bite is going to focus on Windows 10 keyboard shortcuts. There's probably well over 100 keyboard shortcuts in Windows operating systems, but I want to focus on what I think are the most practical and effective um, keyboard shortcuts. These are the big six in my opinion. And I'm going to go just give you a brief definition explanation, um, and show you which keys on this virtual keyboard. At one point right now, maybe you want to stop and take notes of these, write it down, take a screenshot, etc. So then you'll be able to reference and practice these later. Pretty much these are all real effective. There's nothing you can really do to harm anything by using these keyboard shortcuts. Most of them are left-handed focused, so it puts a little bit less strain on your right hand navigating the mouse. So the control key and the tab key moves forward through browser tabs. Browser tabs, not a browser new window, but browser tabs. And I see a lot of faculty and administrators with multiple browser tabs open. So the control tab. Control N will open up a new browser window or a new document for just about all of the standard applications out there. So Control N, new document or new web page. Alt tab, similar to the control tab, but it just switches to main windows that you have. Any of the applications that you have open in the taskbar, that's how you navigate to them. Alt tab. Alt escape, sort of similar to Alt tab. So it'll cycle through apps, but it's a little different behavior. And I'll go and demonstrate these in a moment. Say you got a shortcut on your desktop you want to get to real quickly. Just hit the Window D key. Window D will go to the desktop. You need to get back to that application you were on last or the web page. Just hit Windows D again when you're on the desktop, and that'll load that application you're on. And then something really important I think that everyone should know about is the Window L key. That'll lock your PC. It won't sign you out from anything. It won't sign you out from the domain or from your Google site, but it'll just lock the PC. So whenever you're going to step away from your computer, you should Win L. All right, now I'm going to demonstrate these keyboard shortcuts. So if you notice, I have a couple Chrome tab pages open. So I'm going to go Control Tab, Control Tab, and you notice how I'm switching between these tabbed web pages. That was Control Tab. Let's go Control N. That'll open up a new Chrome browser or new Word document. The conventional application that you use Control N should pretty much manage them. All right, so our next keyboard combination is Alt Tab. So my thumb is on the Alt button and my index finger is on Tab. I'm going to press Tab. And you can see how I have all these windows open. And I'm going to try to find my calendar. There it is. I got my calendar. I'm going to go back to that Chrome page and back to the Windows document, the Word document. The next keyboard shortcut is Alt Escape. So Alt Escape. And that's similar to Alt Tab. A little different behavior if you notice, but pretty much showing all my documents that I need to, that I have loaded in the taskbar on the bottom. And so say I have an application shortcut on my desktop, maybe the grade book is probably there. So I want to get to the desktop real quickly. I'm going to hit the Windows D key. And there's my desktop, and I'll go to my application. I want to show a video, VLC. I want to get back to the last active application I had open. I'm going to go Windows D again. And there is my Windows document, my Word document. And finally, something that's very important that I mentioned earlier, whenever you're away from your PC, it's just a standard good practice to lock it. It's not going to log you out. It's just going to lock it. So all you have to do is enter your password to get back into the network. And that's this Tech Bite. 6 keyboard shortcuts, many more, but these will make your life a little bit easier.